Monster Advanced for HDMI rated at high speed is the solution for higher definition components. A high-speed cable will carry a 1080p 60 Hz signal and carries DVD audio for uncompressed 8-channel surround sound. Blu-ray players come to mind here. To get true 1080p, a customer needs 4 things: a screen or 1080p HD TV, a source, Blu-ray player, content or media encoded at 1080p, and you guessed it, a cable that is capable of delivering the signal accurately without degradation. That cable is Monster High Speed HDMI.